Imagine a fitness tracker. It tells you how active you've been, how well you're doing, and where you need to improve. A fund fact sheet works the same way for a fund. Today's episode of Mutual Fund Simplified, let's open up the fund fact sheet. This is a booklet of all the schemes managed by a fund house that gives you all the key information about the schemes of the fund house. Its past performance, where the money is invested, the fund manager, AUM, expense ratio, risk levels, and much more. It's updated regularly, usually every month, and is available on the AMC's website. Reading it helps you make informed investment decisions. Think of it as a quick summary, everything you need to know about the fund, all in one place. For more such bite-sized explainers, stay tuned only on Mutual Fund Simplified by Bank of India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.